welcome back. So right now I'm about to do a little review on this hairstyle and the place where I got this hair from, the hair venue and everything. So this is actually my first time doing individual crochets because I wanted to be able to like put it up like this. See how I did that? Yeah, versatile, love it, because I love doing different styles. Like I would change my hair like 3 times a day. So me and just like straight cornrows or crochets is not really my favorite, but I love this so much. It was really fast to do this hairstyle, but also I was watching Power because you know those episodes came out. It was mad juicy, so it took me a little longer, like 4 to 5 hours. I feel like, and I would definitely finish it faster if I wasn't watching it and it gets so juicy. Ghost. Anyways, back to it. Yeah, so individual crochets, I love them. So it's a yes for me. I think I'm gonna start doing these more. All right, so down to this hair brand, BILEAF. I hope I forgot how to pronounce that name soon. They gave me how many? 6 packs of hair. I only used 2. 2. Fullness. 2. Bruh. Money's worth. Yes. Way more. Because I can literally do this 2 more times. Because I have so much hair left over. Like, so much hair left over. So, thank you. I'm really about to start buying from them. Because you can go to the hair store. You have to buy all those, like, so many packs just to get this done. It's so expensive. Like, it weighs out. It was definitely worth the money. It was, how much? Like $30 for this? I get 3 hairstyles for $30. And also it came with a little crochet hook, my little cute mini new mirror, and then these cute jewelry things too. So it was like they went in the hair store, went shopper for me. I didn't have to do nothing but order online. Like, I don't think it could get better than this. Alright, so now I'm gonna show you guys how it came in the package. It came in this. What is the color? This is the color I got right here. You see it. I liked how it was like ombre and went to red and it looks so gorgeous, and I never tried it before, but I wanted to try it now. And it comes on this like that. It usually, a lot of crochet here comes on like rubber bands, and I hate it so much because by the time I take like 3 of them off, they're tangled up and I can't use it and I lose hair, and that is money out my pocket. But this is like a smart method. I don't remember what this is called, but this was helpful because it didn't detangle. I didn't lose any type of hair. I have more hair left over because of it. So I already love how they packaged it. Thank you. You guys are solving big problems out here. And yeah, how did I feel about this hair? I love it. It was nice and soft. It came in the mail really fast. Like I ordered it and it came in like 3 days, I think, or something like that. Like it was just perfect. I loved it. I think next time I would definitely get longer hair because I would love to see it long. I thought it was going to be a little longer than this, but I still love it completely. So this gives me like, I would definitely wear it to, because you know, I love Carnival. I would definitely wear this to like Carnival, put some more beads in there and all these different things. It's like a summer type of look, go on the beach, chilling on the beach look. So far, I love this venue, and I'm pretty sure I will be ordering more, and I hope they get more different type of hairs and different type of like loose hair, not just braiding hair, and all different types of varieties. There's the word I was looking for, varieties. Yeah, because I will definitely be ordering, especially the little care package. I feel like that was like the highlight of it, because like, yeah, you could order hair and they give you hair, but like they gave you like the whole shebang. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Let me know how you feel if you order from them too. I will leave the link down. Thank you, BILEAF Hair. I'm sorry if I butchered the name. I really hope I did it, but like, thank you so much for giving me opportunities to try your hair. I will be a returning customer, to be honest, because I love it. See, y'all saw that bounce back, y'all? Okay, all right. I'm gonna go active now. Thank you. Bye.